Today we are going to show you how to install the Electro-Voice LRC loudspeakers. The LRC offers minimal visual impact, full range design, and, as we will show you, easy installation. Let's look at all the accessories that come in the box. First, we have the weather cover. The two Gland Nuts make it easy to daisy chain multiple LRCs together, and if installed with that cover, LRC is good for an IP rating of 56C. This is the tilt bracket. This gives you the shallowest possible install, while still giving you tilt options from 0 to 25 degrees. And it is not just down tilt, it is rated for up tilt as well, which can be achieved by inverting either all portions of the mounting bracket or the entire loudspeaker. The U bracket, which is optional at install, is for panning, plus or minus 80 degrees, and you still get 25 degrees of tilt at the same time. The bolts attach the pan and tilt sections together, and there is a bolt to lock in your tilt angle. You are also provided the combo tool. All of the hardware uses the same size hex key, and the tool can be used to set the transformer tap on the 1060 and the 1100, and on the 1100 and 2100, the vertical coverage angle. Mounting the LRCs is such a simple process. Mount the U bracket to the wall, bolt the tilt bracket to the U bracket, then just slide the LRC onto the tilt bracket and set your pin to the desired angle. On a ladder and need to grab something or finish up some wiring? No worries, LRC can hold in place for you while you finish. The mounting plate can also be moved for installations where the bottom position won't work. You can also mount the LRC without the U bracket, in installations where panning is not needed. If you are not in a position to be able to attach by drilling into the surface behind the mounting bracket, you can use a rated strap up to 5/8 in width to strap it to whatever you require. Just remember to follow all local regulations for this type of install and consult an engineer if required. Thanks for joining us for this quick look at the mounting features of the LRC family. Remember, follow the instructions in the user manual. And thanks for watching.